Do you want to make sure you never miss a message? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a voicemail on your iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 or iPhone 11. So let's get started. First, open the app on your iPhone, phone app on your iPhone. This is where you access your voicemail settings. Tap on the voicemail tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you haven't set up voicemail before, you might see a prompt to set it up. To begin, tap on Set Up Now. If you're setting up voicemail for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a voicemail password. Enter a 4 to 6 digit password and tap on. You now need to enter it again to confirm. After setting up your password, you'll be given the option to record a custom voicemail greeting. Tap on Custom and then record to start recording your greetings. Speak clearly and introduce yourself or leave a message that you'd like callers to hear. Once you're satisfied with your greeting, tap stop and then save to save your custom greeting. If you prefer not to record a custom greeting, you can use the default greeting. Just tap on default and it will automatically use for your voicemail. To ensure everything is set up correctly, call your own number and leave a voicemail. Check if your iPhone receives the voicemail and if your greeting plays correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up voicemail on your iPhone 14, 13, 12 or 11.